Now we are going to learn a new concept. It is les pronoms compléments directs. The pronoun for the direct complement. So when we use this concept, pour reprendre, for retaking a noun. So when you have to use the noun again, when you have to repeat the noun of the nom de personne, either the name of a person or the show complément direct, or of the complement, direct complement du verb, of the verb without preposition. So you need to take a note of this when there is no preposition. So when do we use this les pronoms compléments directs? When we have to use the same noun in a sentence. So when you have already used the noun and you need to repeat the noun again, either the name of a person or a place, some complement, right? So when you are using that again, when you have to retake it, it is replaced with the complement, the pronoun complement direct. So an example for that is, take this sentence, je connais Jean. Je connais Jean. In the next sentence, you want to say that you've known him for a long time. So you would say, je connais Jean depuis longtemps. That is how you would say this sentence. But if you notice, there is a repetition. We are using the same noun over and over. So in this case, to avoid the repetition, this noun here is replaced with le. So this is how you would write the sentence. If you write it as such, it would be je connais Jean depuis longtemps. But it is a repetition of the nouns. So in place of Jean, we write the sentence as je le connais depuis longtemps. Je le connais depuis longtemps. So now, why did we write le? This is because le pronom complément direct for Jean. Jean is third person singular. So the word is le. So let us see what it is for the remaining subjects. So for example, il. So you are saying je connais Jean and il connaît moi. He knows me. So instead of saying il connaît moi, you say il me connaît. Right? Il me connaît. So when you are going to replace a noun that is first person singular, the word is me. No, this is il. Right? He knows you. Il connaît toi. Now we are going to replace the noun that is second person singular. We use te. Il te connaît. Il te connaît. Then, like I told you, for third person singular, if it is masculine, you say il le connaît. And if it is feminine, il la connaît. So this is actually very simple. You have to look at what is being replaced. So here we do not have to look at the subject or the verb. Nothing matters. It's just that which of the verbs are we replacing. Now the verb that needs to be replaced, is it in the first person, second person or third person, singular or plural, masculine or feminine. So depending on that, we replace it with these words. Now, when the noun to be replaced is in the first person plural. So here it is nu. Il, nu, connaît. When the noun to be replaced is in the second person plural, il, vous, connaît. And when the noun to be replaced is in third person plural, either masculine or feminine, it is il, les, connaît. Il, les, connaît. So what are the words? Me, the, le, la, nous, vous and les. And keep in mind, these are the words we use to replace the nouns sans preposition, when there is no preposition. So we will be learning what to do when there is a preposition, but as for now, these words will replace the nouns that come without prepositions. So all you have to remember is these words. If you notice, we are not changing anything in the verb. We are not conjugating the verb. We are not changing the subject. You only have to look at the verb that needs to be replaced and see if it is first person, second person, third person, singular or plural, masculine or feminine, and replace it with the appropriate word.